Want to use Fiverr on your phone and manage everything from anywhere? Then this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to download the Fiverr app, log in, and use all the important features directly from your mobile phone. Whether you're a buyer or a seller, this app makes it super easy to manage Fiverr on the go. First, open the App Store on your phone. If you're using Android, open the Google Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, open the Apple App Store. Now, let's find the official Fiverr app. In the search bar, type Fiverr. Look for the official app published by Fiverr International Limited. Make sure you download the official version. Once you find it, tap Install and wait for the app to download onto your phone. And after this, you're ready to set everything up. Open the Fiverr app after installation. On the welcome screen, you can either sign in or create a brand new account. If you already have an account, log in using your email, Google account, or Apple ID. If you're new to Fiverr, just follow the on-screen steps to create your account. Once you log in, you'll land on the Fiverr home screen. At the bottom, you'll see navigation tabs that help you move around the app. You can browse services, search for gigs, and even save services you like for later. If you're a buyer, you can place orders, message sellers, and track your order progress directly from the app. So you can manage everything without opening your computer. And that's it. You now know how to download and use the Fiverr app on your mobile phone. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more simple Fiverr and freelancing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.